Welcome back to the workshop, and this is episode 6. Just had a delivery of plasterboard and OSB, so we can now start putting the walls on the walls. I think what I'll do first before that is get a rim board of sorts and get the joists in the top, and then we'll start with the plasterboard on the ceiling, because I think that'll be the most difficult bit. It'll also mean that when the wall goes on, it supports the ceiling a bit, so we'll do that first, then get the wall on, and then hopefully the electrics delivery will come today and we can get that sorted too. So all being well, end of the day today, we'll have the joists done and perhaps some of the ceiling. Let's get to it. We interrupt this time lapse for a delivery of electrical goods. Your regularly scheduled program will resume shortly. have joists, many joists, all of the joists. And I have a total of 8 screws left out of the 500 I started with. So either I'm very good at calculating how many screws I needed, or I got very lucky. And I'm gonna say it's the former, because that makes me sound better. So now that we've done this, I'm going to put the plasterboard on the ceiling. Then we'll run the lighting circuit, put the switches roughly where they're supposed to go. Then we'll run the cables for the sockets in the walls. Put the plasterboard on the walls. I'm only going to put a lower level of plasterboard just for now, so that we've got everything left open for inspection, for someone to come in and terminate at the distribution board, hopefully next week. So we're going to do that. Let's do that. That sounds like a good idea. So I think I need to hire a plasterboard lifter, because it's difficult. So we've got this, which is just some 2.4 meter lengths with a foot and a taller top, trying to hold up that. But as much as it holds it up, it probably took me about 20 minutes to get that up there, and probably sounded like I was killing a small animal in the process. So for the £30–40 that it's going to cost me to hire one, I think I'll hire one tomorrow. I'll fix that sheet because that's there. I've done some damage to it, just at the side there, the corner over there, and just where I've tried to lift it up. So engineering fail, but not an insurmountable problem, because we'll just hire a plasterboard lifter tomorrow, and we'll lift the plasterboard. Easier. Screw it in, job's a good one. So I'm not going to do the ceiling today. I will do the electrics instead, and I'll just leave it where it's supposed to come through the ceiling, and I'll put the holes in the plasterboard when I put it up tomorrow.